In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Canva designs in the highest quality possible. So you need to start by heading over to the Canva website, and from here you can either create a new design or select a design that you've already created. Now once you've finished with your design, we need to click on the share button in the top right hand side, scroll down and select download. And for the file type, you want to make sure you have PNG selected. Typically, PNGs are always going to be a lot higher in quality when compared to JPEGs. So make sure you have PNG selected and then go ahead and select your size. Now you want to make sure this size matches the size of your Canva document. If you're not sure what size your document is, then you can just click on File and you'll be able to see the dimensions at the top of the screen here. So for this particular design, it's 1280 by 720. So I'm going to head back over to Share, click on Download, make sure these dimensions match 120 by 720. Make sure these three options here are left unchecked, and you can also save these download preferences for future saves, and finally hit download. And now if I open up this image that I just created, you can see that it's in full high quality, and even if I zoom into the image, everything looks crisp and clean. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you download your Canva documents in high quality. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.